This presentation will discuss commercial lighting solutions. We are Associated Renewable, an end-to-end full-service energy consulting and carbon management company. We offer custom energy efficiency solutions, supply and implement renewable energy technologies, provide energy training, and offer complete project financing options. So why is lighting important? Lighting accounts for approximately 1/3 of electricity use in commercial buildings. Simple usage changes can result in significant energy savings. And lighting retrofit projects often have a relatively low implementation cost. So this significant portion of your building's energy use can be cut down for fairly low cost and have a payback that is pretty quick. Some common targets for lighting retrofits are incandescent lamps. Those are a big energy hog in buildings, and replacing those is a no-brainer. T12 fluorescent lamps are often a good idea to replace too. Those are the much thicker fluorescent lamps that were widespread in the 1970s, but now much more efficient fluorescent lamps have been designed. Replacing magnetic ballast for fluorescent fixtures, electronic ballasts are much more efficient. Outdoor lighting is often a good target for retrofits. Unoccupied or infrequently occupied spaces are great spaces to investigate ways to turn off the lights. And also overlit areas where there are just more lights than there need to be. There are a lot of different lighting technologies that are good to implement if you wish to save energy. Fluorescent lamps, the T8s and T5s, are much more efficient than the T12s. You can see in this photo here the difference in thickness of the three lamps. If you just kind of eyeball fluorescent lamps, you can usually tell what you have. And T8s and T5s are far more efficient than the T12s. LED lamps are becoming a big deal, and they used to be expensive. The costs are coming down and will continue to come down for these lamps. They will sometimes require a fixture change, but they have very long lamp life, oftentimes upwards of 10 years. And they also have lower wattage than incandescent or fluorescent lamps. So in addition to your energy savings, you're also saving on maintenance and lamp costs. Solar lamp posts are an interesting technology too. These are useful for parking lots, sidewalks, other outdoor spaces. It's a lamp post with a solar panel on top that powers the outdoor lighting. So no external wiring is required. It just absorbs energy on that solar panel, stores it in a battery, and then turns on those lights at night. Occupancy sensors are a great way to cut your lighting energy costs as well. These are sensors that you just can retrofit onto your current lighting system, and they'll detect if there are people in the room and turn the lights on if there are, and if they detect no movement for a certain period of time, the lights will shut off. That way, if there aren't consistent patterns in when your building is being used, you're still maximizing the time that the lights are off while still maintaining tenant comfort. Daylighting controls are kind of in a similar vein. These are sensors that detect the amount of natural light entering through the windows and can dim the existing lights so that the light in the room is at an appropriate level. So that way you're using the sun's energy instead of energy that you pay for. There are a lot of grants, rebates, and incentives available for performing lighting retrofits. In New York City, New York State, Con Edison, and NYSERDA both offer a lot of incentives. These incentives can be either equipment-based, where they designate a certain type of lamp or fixture and then offer a fixed rebate for that lamp, or performance-based incentives, where they offer a certain rebate based on the number of kilowatt hours that are projected to be saved annually. And these incentives are not guaranteed in the future, so it's important to take advantage of them while they're available and while the money is there, and perform your retrofit now so that you have the lowest upfront cost. Associated Renewable conducted an energy audit of an 18,000 square foot office space. This was specifically targeted at lighting. The annual cost of energy for existing lighting was $6,400. And we recommended a mixture of lamp replacement, occupancy sensors, and also bi-level sensors, which will dim the lighting when there are no people present. This is useful for hallways and corridors where you always want a little bit of light, but you don't always need it on full blast. The total implementation cost for this lighting retrofit was $8,700, and the annual energy savings cost after implementation was $4,800. So this is bringing the energy costs way down, and the payback time here was 1.8 years. Clearly a financially smart move for this office space. So to summarize, lighting retrofitting is the process of upgrading underperforming building lighting systems, and conducting an energy audit prior to a lighting retrofit will ensure these cost savings. And these incentive rebates are available now, and again, it's important to take advantage of them while they're available, while you know that these funds are here to perform these projects and get the rebates that are out there. If you have any questions or comments, or would like a copy of this presentation, feel free to contact us at info@associatedrenewable.com, or check out our website at www.associatedrenewable.com.